It's Saturday morning, the day of the dinner party, and we're going to start by de-stemming and coarsely chopping the kale. Now I'm going to coarsely chop 2 bunches of spinach. Alright, now I'm going to mince 5 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to chop 5 onions, green onions. Parsley for the escargot. I'm going to now smash some garlic down for the escargot. We're going to mash it down into a paste. I've warmed to room temperature a 1.5 cups of butter, and I'm going to put that in the mixing bowl along with the garlic that we just mashed and the shallots and parsley. Okay, I'm going to cover this and chill it until we're ready to make the escargot. I'm turning now to the duck, and we're going to slice some crisscrosses into the skin and try not to get into the meat. The polenta has been in the refrigerator all night, and now I'm going to cut it up into rectangles. Alright, I've roasted the almonds. Now I'm going to crush them. Salad dressing. To the refrigerator. I'm going to make the Maple Chantilly now for the mousse. Maple Chantilly. Our dinner party was a roaring success, with minimal damage to the guests and premises. Marilyn set an elegant table with a lovely centerpiece from the garden, even though we were casually dressed and dining out back. The escargot à la Bourguignonne, bathed in butter, was so good that we consumed almost all the baguettes, sopping its juices. Between iced lemon water, chilled white wines, and Pinot Noir, we had plenty to wash down the feast. Our first course, shaved summer squash salad, presented a melange of textures and flavors with two types of squash, baby arugula, crushed roasted almonds, cheese, and garlic. The entree, pan-roasted duck breast with truffled polenta and lingonberry sauce, paired with sautéed mixed greens, was a delight. The green onions and garlic injected a perfect flavor undertone to the crunchy kale and tender spinach, and the star of this dish was sublime. The buttery reduction of red wine, chicken and beef broth, and lingonberries made for a velvety glaze over mouthfuls of crisp-skinned duck breast and truffled polenta. As usual, I had overestimated my serving portions. We needed a bit of a break to kick back, enjoy after-dinner aperitifs, and let our meals digest before tucking into dessert. I'm glad we delayed so that we could savor our dessert. The Cognac-Chocolate Mousse was smooth, fluffy, chocolatey, and perfect against the acidity of our coffee, and the Chantilly added a grace note of creamy maple wonder. The offering of spirits was exceptional and surprising. The bottle on the right is Small Batch Knob Creek, an all-time favorite of mine, and a guest regaled us with that beautiful blue bottle in the middle, which is a premium Akutsuru sake, and the bottle on the left, that's Heaven's Door, brought to us courtesy of Bob Dylan. Yeah, the music pioneer and legend. Mind blown. Excellent bourbon, by the way.